Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So tonight, a little OpSpec security, and that is a new product called Fire. Fire is a new Chrome extension which helps vet contract transactions on your MetaMask. What does that mean? Well, a lot of times you are aping into something and you have no idea when you sign a contract, because it's not really in English, it's in code, of what it's actually doing. What Fire does is it shows you before you confirm the transaction what the effect of signing that contract is going to be. Plus, it's logged into a malicious code detection system, and you can report bad contracts. So this is Fire, no pun intended. So I don't know if you were following on Twitter, some guy just got hit on Twitter for $2 million in NFTs. So now, I'm not really sure how they're monetizing it, and then obviously you have some questions like privacy. Does it have access to my wallet? Well, basically, according to this, let's see. Does it give you a secret phrase? No. Do I need to give Fire my wallet address? No. We track transactions in your browser and send a pop-up. Can I sign transactions? No. They have no access. So basically, it's pre-reading and deciphering the contract before you actually sign it. So this is very, very cool. How much does Fire cost? It's completely free. So I'm not really sure. Like I said, this is an amazing product for them to give away for free. And like I said, you'll get pop-ups, malicious contract. So you can see it pops a box to the side, and then it says, hey, if you do this, it's going to steal my NFT, or what the effects of that specific are. So the question is, how do you get started? Well, it's pretty easy. First thing you do is click on the add to Chrome, and then it adds to Chrome. And then you're going to go to welcome to Fire, at which point you connect your wallet, and then it says, for being an early adopter, you want to make sure that you get a free NFT. And this is just basically a demo so that it clicks in your brain. So make sure my wallet's unlocked. Okay, so I click over this. It pops up MetaMask, and I'm looking for a Fire NFT, right? So that's a wrecked NFT. I don't want that, so I'm going to hit reject. So I go to the next one. It's another reject. So, okay, then I'm going to click on this one. Boom, Fire NFT. Tells me what it's doing and how it's going to transfer it from and to my wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to confirm that transaction. And then they have a Discord, your wallet, a Fire extension, and this is super cool. Now I own a Fire NFT. So I do think this is a great thing to add in your security basket, because it'll protect you. That's it. Hope you liked tonight's video. Stay safe out there. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.